Hi, I'm Stephanie. I am the SoftWave specialist here at Stuckey Chiropractic Center, and I've got Katie here with me today. Katie's been dealing with some wrist pain for quite some time now, and I'll kind of let you go ahead and tell us what's going on with you.
Well, I had a teenage job in high school when I started when I was only 14 years old or so, scooping ice cream. And soon after a year of that job, I experienced a lot of pain in my tendons, and we determined that it was tendonitis. So this has been going on for over 20 years.
Yeah, it's a long time to be dealing with pain. So we finally decided to try SoftWave, and we got done, a couple months ago now?
Mm-hmm.
So tell us how you're feeling today.
Yeah, I feel great. I finally decided I had to do something more than just ice it and stretch it and rest it because my husband and I own a farm, and just simple everyday tasks on that farm were getting too hard to do and were causing flare-ups that would put me out of commission. So just a few months later, I'm still mostly pain-free, and for the first time in 20 years.
That's incredible.
Very, very happy about it.
Yeah, that's awesome. And she's been dealing with this pain for so many years and just one treatment plan, and she's feeling awesome. So really good story here. Now, what do you say? Would you recommend this to somebody else?
Absolutely. I already have.
Yeah.
I've tried to send at least 3 people here. I'm not sure if they followed through, but next time I see them, I will make them follow through.
Awesome.
So my teenage daughter is on a volleyball team, and she's got friends that have very similar issues, and they're tired already as a teenager of dealing with it. So I say, go to Stuckey's. They have a solution. It actually works.
Yeah. Oh, that's so awesome. So yeah, come on out, try our SoftWave. We are offering $49 discovery visits, so come see us.